So I'm ready to collect some data for my PLC. I'm going to activate this blueprint. I'm going to select my roster. I'm going to use the tap it mode here to collect the data. So you can see here the way that I structure the test is I can know kind of easily keep track of which standards are scoring, and given the students good data there, or one standard's going to do really well, the other two standards may be a little bit under that one, so that in the reports we'll have some really clean data to look at and see, our class is struggling on these specific standards, which is what things look like in real life. So I'm just tapping in the results here. Again, it's easy to make these make this data flow. I'm just clicking in questions that they will have missed. Again, kind of setting it up so that my data is going to look what it would look like in a normal class. And so I'm going to do this for the other two classes. I won't bore you with showing you that video, but the next thing that we'll look at are the results. And so I'm going to hit done, and I'm going to hit end the session. I'll end the session. I'll do this exact same process for the next two classes, and then we'll look at the results. So now I'm going to log out. I'll log in as one of the other teachers here, and we'll repeat that same process for both of those classes, so we can look at the results here in just a second. I am going to show you one other thing here. One of the things that we want to do is we want to make sure that in our rosters we're not using the same set of students in each class. So for the different teachers, you want to make sure they've got unique rosters. When students are taking a test in one class, they won't be taking the same test in another class. So that's just something to be careful, to be mindful of when you're setting up your PLCs and the rosters that you use. And you can see I've gotten some good data here. Trey's going to be done. So we're going to hit end the session. And now I'm going to go look at the results in our PLC. So here's our science team PLC. There's a science quiz 12. We got 10 questions. Our comprehension is a 64. We've got 3 footprints in there. We can look at the standards analysis. And you can see we really bombed out on this third standard here. We didn't do great on the other two, but it may have just been a pretty tough test. Now the item analysis is going to give us good data here. So on this first question, I may ask the other teachers, hey, how did y'all teach this? Because a third of my class didn't get it. Your class is almost